Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
So today we're taking a look at the Midas M32 Behringer X32 again, and we're going to be showing you guys how to use a defeedback system, and this can work from this video whether you're doing a solo or if you're doing the option 2 or whatever you're doing, it will work for it. So we're going to be coming into this solo to make sure we're actually line level into channel 2, and that is coming out of on the back over here, output 1. We're coming into this console using channel 1 to a 58, and then we are returning out of the back of output 2 into channel 32 on this console. So that means this is going to be our 58, and that means this will be our return when we get everything routed here. So first thing you want to do, select your channel. So we have it selected, and you want to unassign it from the mains, or you're going to be duplicating and hearing all sorts of weird stuff. So we'll hit that button, that will unassign it from the mains. So if we actually turn this up, go ahead and talk, Tanner.
Hey.
Nothing comes out of your mains.
Hey.
But if we did have that assigned to the mains,
Hey.
you would have a duplicate of the channel. So we have it unassigned. Next thing you want to do is go to your sends. There's so many ways to do it. We're just going to hit view because it's easier to do that. And we want to make this be post fader. Sadly, we'll hit this down button. Behringer M32 at this point in time is going to force you to do 2 channels at a time. So post fader, make sure that is selected. You don't have to push it, but I'm doing it to be safe. So now this post fader, we can actually move this fader up and down, and it will move signal to this mix. So we're going to let Tanner go ahead and talk.
Hey.
We'll turn this up, and you can see we're getting signal over here, which is what we want. So we're returning into channel 32. So when I go to our next group, let Tanner talk.
1.
And you can see that we have it here. This needs to be assigned to the mains. So now we have a return of a bus.
1.
We can turn it up to the mains, and we'll give him a little more volume here. We had a gain down for the previous video over here. All right, keep talking, sir.
1 2. 1 2.
And so this is going to have it to where you have got as many channels as you want to send to that. You could send up to 400 if you wanted to. This console, you could really only send 31 the way we're doing it. But if we wanted to send channel 2, you would hit select, turn up 1, channel 3, turn up 1. So this will work great if you have a panel and a ton of microphones, but you only want to run through 1 instance of defeedback. So again, you would just select your channel, turn it up in that aux, and then you still have fader control. So Tanner can keep talking.
1 2.
You can hear it going on and off.
1 2.
And that has it running through defeedback. So that's a simple way to do it through a bus. So just keep in mind, if you are using a bus, it's going to eat up one of your monitors. So you could go, you have 16 buses on this. So that would be the easiest way to do it. So please hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let us know. So we always forget to put at the end of the video, we do sell these. So we just shipped out some to Australia. We've got some going to the United Kingdom. These are going out tomorrow. So we do sell these. We have tons of the Focusrite. This entire box has got 40 of the solos that just came in. And we have tons of computers that we've pre-programmed, and they're little tiny guys as well. So if you do want to purchase these, just reach out to us at info@sweettreeproductions.com, or you can give us a call at 256-275-4734. And we have just got months and months of research into this, going on a year. And we actually just installed one of these with a 6 instance today, and we've got some 8 instance computers as well, and some that will do 12. We have all sorts of options. So just give us a call, 256-275-4734, or shoot us an email, info@sweettreeproductions.com.